Hello my dear friends. Today I bring you a recipe for delicious meat. I often cook this way, just made it for dinner and decided to share with you. It's incredibly simple and very tasty. Let's begin. You'll need plenty of onions equal to the meat. I have 1 kilogram of onions. Slice them into quarter rings. Put them inside pan. Add 1 kilogram of meat. Today I have these meaty pork ribs. Add salt. 1 teaspoon per kilogram of meat. Then add black pepper to taste and a bay leaf. Mix everything together. You can add your favorite spices. I don't add anything else. Let the dish rest for at least an hour before cooking. If you're short on time, you can start cooking immediately. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees and cook for 1 hour and 30 minutes. If you don't have a roasting pan, use a baking sheet covered with foil. Check after 1 hour. If it looks done, remove it from the oven. I prefer cooking the full 1.5 hours to keep the meat tender and soft. If you like this recipe, leave a smiling emoji in the comments. It's simple for you and brings me joy. Enjoy your meal.